Hi guys. How are you guys doing? We are here in regards to my claimed baby mama. You know, it has been boost bar since morning, so my elder brother has reached the father. So the father said I should put him on call this night. So I'm going to call my brother, my elder brother. So my elder brother is going to call him. So we're going to make a conference call. So just watch and listen to our conversation.
Hello?
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Hello?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, we thank God, though. Well done, bros. How the family? Yeah, we thank God. Bros, yeah, we thank God. Before you talk much, and this thing we did on video. You know, so you tell me, say, our father say, may we call him this evening. So,
Yes.
I want to add on to this call. You know, so make I let you know. Say we did on video call. Yeah, I hear you.
People could call him.
Yeah.
People could call him conference call. But before you go further, anything you do, you will take an easy. Because that family are a very difficult family.
I don't see him.
Just take an easy.
Don't see him.
You understand? Very difficult family, man.
No wahala.
You just take an easy. Take an easy with them. Take an easy with them. They are very, very difficult and desperate.
Wow.
You understand?
Yeah, I hear you. make I add on. I dey add on now.
Adam.
Okay. Oh wow. I don't enter one chance.
You don't hear that.
I don't enter one chance. Hello?
Hello?
Domo sir. Pardon sir. Pardon
Hello?
Pardon sir. Donc, maintenant, on tient à Zukanore et Weibo. When you go say na shishi bonfo. Domo sir. Domo. If I don't get what I do, if I if my wife not hear this thing because this thing they on speaker because my wife they here too.
Good evening, sir. Sorry.
Good evening.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. We are not here Benin language. So sorry, sir.
Epa, you say me will call you. My senior brother don't follow you talk since Epa. You say me will call you. Without
He don't follow me talk. Not your people, They're not the. I don't know because now what you send them, now they do. The first time they come meet me, I tell them say okay. I give them drink, they reject them. Now that I feel also now wahala na carry come now. He don't talk to me again. I know which one I want carry come. Pardon Monsa. We don't where who came out. I'm senior brother. I know your voice now. First, I don't say I don't first tell you. Say we be ready to come tomorrow. We will sit down and see how we. That ready now want sit down. Me no call no. Don't be sit down. First of all, sit down. Una begin beat up. Una don't tell me say I don't beat up finish. Make I know. I don't want no. Not be just beat up the beat up. If I not be with Peter, now fight. Now she can fight us. Oh, that one is not fight us. Corner. That one not be matter. That's your brother. Wait now, bros. Your brother. don't be called me so. If I be called person, now you never call since.
Epa.
I beg, make you don't forget to throw that thing. Now, if they don't talk their matter for a start, how will they someone? We will talk how they start. Because the way that they do this beginning, I don't understand. I beg, we never live for those ones first. I beg, we could just this one and a call. We could just as we get ready to come, we could settle this one once and for all. I beg. That settlement on the call too so. When you dey come, you dey talk now. Now you talk like gentleman. You reach my house now begin beat us. Never beat me again. Now they plan to do now. People settlement. Anyone. No time we will not take gentle. We are the Osifo family. For this one that peaceful family. If you ask question, you know the Osifo family is very peaceful. It's a very peaceful family. Now me they look for trouble. We not talk like that. Now you talk like that. Whether they look for trouble. So now me they look for trouble.
Epa not be waiting that they argue. Epa now. Epa no we find peace. Epa no we find peace for this thing. Epa nothing when anybody get to act. Epa, what should I do your picking? What did I do your picking, Epa?
Hello, good evening, sir. Hello, Daddy. Hello, Daddy. It's me. Well done, sir. Good evening, sir. Yeah, please, sir. We are not at peace here because this thing now it came too sudden. And now online, I will foresee our video. So now my husband even first see him. So at the end of the day, we be not even know him. According to my husband, he be not even recognize. I know say he don't say. Everybody they change. Somebody like me, I don't change well. Some people know they even recognize me. I beg for just even denying him at all. I am so sorry. In fact, not be only my husband deny him. You just had me join. I beg, sir.
For sister like wait, my sister, my pikin. How do you this a bit talk like this, so? You say person, it is gen. If he comes off as he say person talk like we say my pikin talk, not be to find out.
Yes, sir.
Now you don't first beat me. He beat my pikin.
Epa, nobody beats you. Now you're picking a fight for there, Epa. Epa, nobody beats you. Now you're picking a fight for there. Not your picking a fight. You know say
okay, it's okay, baby. You have to resolve this thing now. Why are you shouting? No, in this.
What did they talk? What did they talk?
No. Daddy, please, sir. Na pikin they involved. And na boy. This pikin of a boy now. Anytime any.
I don't your brother. You not get it again. I don't become my own now. So Muna sit down 12 years. I call you. You know I did.
If we say me we sit down, why your pikin they narrate me to go for social media?
No, baby, please.
You say me we sit.
Stop now.
No, why pikin they narrate me now?
Okay, don't narrate to finish. You keep quiet. We are talking to the father. We're talking to the father here. You have to respect him now.
Have I not respected him?
Let him talk now. He has to pour out his anger. He has to speak. You have to allow him to pour out whatever he wants to pour out. Please, let him speak. There's nothing like him relieving himself, letting it out. Okay, if you keep quiet now, you don't say anything. Now that one you go prefer. People that talk out is even a lot more better.
Did they beat them?
At least you know your mind. Don't forget now, I'm a matured man. That's what we talk about. Daddy, I beg. There is no need. Sorry, sir. Daddy, I beg. There is no need of.
Yes, you feel say the rest will not fit take care of her. So no, not that again now. If I forget all those ones.
I beg, Daddy.
They talk about now. You know, say when you first come, in Ghana, they call you my friend. Because your own, me don't know where you did. If you carry the call now, they'll come beat me. In they come, even when they talk, so in they come.
I get for Nigeria.
Why you talk like
I said, what are they for Nigeria? You know what I'm for Nigeria.
Come for here.
You say for Nigeria. Which one is where they come?
Why you do like this now? Why you do like this?
I beg you. If you know my men on my cocoa, you make me.
You cannot say I don't see you. Now your mouth, I will chop you. If I chop out your mouth, it will sweet me.
It's not funny, baby. It's not funny. It's okay. It's not funny. What is the matter with you?
You know what you do? Stop now. I don't know what you do.
Epa, okay, don't do Epa, no verse. Egwu Epa, lao. Let my family come see you too.
I just tired. That go do you. Honestly, Daddy, you are very, very correct. If you allow me to speak into this matter, you are so correct. You have every right to be angry. You have every right to pour out your anger. You have every right to insult him. Because yes, he wasn't there. Since 12 good years, he wasn't there.
Don't do DNA windows now.
Okay, nevertheless, we need opportunity to do the DNA. You won't hang out like this. If we never knew this thing is not out, we will not be worried. This situation will not be on ground. Now we need the DNA test, and so we will be able to confirm. That you know the problem where it passed from our hand. You call whether it's in Nigeria. Epalawa. Dodo. Your brother who should talk to me since, because if not your brother, my pikin, you not get pikin. You hear? Sorry, sir. Now my daughter, I will blame. Sorry, sir. He talks you not get pikin. Hell. 12 years. In fact, I don't change the name. Now my name is the now. Sorry, sir. Daddy, baby, Dodo. Ew. This is a big call police. Go call police call. La wa fi call la o kana wa ma bo ode. Bala ni se la. Nigeria we bo no. It's okay, sir. Sorry, sir. Daddy, sorry. I beg, Daddy, I beg, not verse. Now the way forward. Now the way forward, I would they look for. If the baby, Daddy. Yes, sir. You know the time I not go first. If not my pikin will carry him out to the talk. The pikin don't become my own. You know, 12 years. Yes, sir. You even shout to the pikin. If they tell her now, say, although you know now, after I take beat mama, take carry her go pray for police station. I got me in I told you not to. If not be plenty question when the people would ask, you not get pikin again. I beg, sir, because you know it is not easy. Now. Daddy, now, pikin won't start to the day expensive. You don't understand? Now, pikin won't start to the day expensive. So if na earlier bosifo, now you get the pikin. Hello, auntie. Yes, sir. No, it's okay. Let's get it over with it.
Epa. Epa, na me this matter affect you. You see me not talk. Now, I don't tell you.
Forget this whole thing. They say they're not because of pandemic, they are talking, they because of the soup chopper.
She's aware that we them say our family become. She's aware. She did aware now. I will not tell her. Epa, my wife not the year. My wife not the year you because you threatening me. Epa, my wife not the year Bini. You dey threatening me. Speak up for English. My wife not the year Bini. Na threat now you dey threatening me now so. Na threatening. It is make I not enter Nigeria. If I enter Nigeria, so don't do me like that.
Now you dey talk so.
Yes, now.
Okay.
For real.
I'm not threatening you. I say, I dey pray you go call Nigeria. You go see your pikin. Not be so. My pikin no go lie. I mean, no say na true. Now you get pikin. But when you don't do this your with the call too, you say verification. Now that you call her,
na DNA.
You finish according to your brother.
DNA.
And that time near your own wahala will start. Near your own wahala will start. Do you hear? Who put the forget. Listen to me, Babek. Wait till go happen. When we come to the people, we settle everything. Then you rest with that. Now I don't ask her just now. He don't come my pikin. Your pikin that way say we come. I see there on our no say I know we can't see Peter for us again. We're not fair the we're not fair the company. In one year, the one I put for every year. When I take it, my pikin go put that for police station. If I beg, we don't first settle all this one, say we police all those ones I beg. Make I talk to the first thing when do bad thing, when not agree say do bad thing. If not because of that, they talk say wife dey there now. You go do that for tell her today, for no fit sleep. Not be only to be put pennies for nyam, like they talk. Now we waiting for man, like they talk. 12 years, you see they talk. I beg.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, Daddy. Tomorrow there will be no fight. There will be no fight. Please, sir, there will be no fight at all.
Although my this my pikin say they know they can't fight. Although we don't first talk. So see one thing, the last time he first come, he say they know na peace they come, but he not drink my drink. Me I know say wahala dey. So I will still prepare way for them. Make them come.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Really, really appreciate.
Now do well.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
One now, they not they beat my pikin again.
Okay, sir.
The emotional start when I don't give the pikin. Now they sleep well.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, Daddy. Sorry, Daddy. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye, sir. Bye-bye, sir.
You know,
no matter what. No matter what.
No. Like, we didn't fight them. The man say we need better. That kind of person
Baby, it's not everything you deny.
Look at what he's saying. Say then after the DNA, that is when the problem starts.
Baby, please. Please. You are now mature. There are some things you just let it be. Someone is talking, a matured man is talking, you are not seeing his face, and you want peace. That was what you concluded. I said to you, me, I'm not going to fit. We need peace. We want peace. You know, I'm not strong. So I'm not interested in all this emotional trauma. So let's make peace. You can't see, must you reply?
Who shall be, must you reply? Look at the way, if not be saying I'm because my elderly man, you see the way they tell me, man, shut up my mouth, man, not talk.
So if that man tell you, say, me, you shut up your mouth, it's a big problem on your side.
And I mean, you get issue with, now me, not be me.
And so, if an elderly man, let's assume he's just a normal elderly man, who asks you to shut up? And so what? Can you not accept it? An elderly man. Okay, if a pastor tell you to shut up, you go just insult the pastor, you go slap him.
Listen.
Baby, it's time when a girl where age they reach.
Not the girl where age.
No,
maybe you forget this issue. Forget this matter. You forget this issue.
No.
You know the hear Bini. You don't understand Bini. Forget about the matter.
I hear some things when you talk.
Leave this issue.
It doesn't matter, baby. Look, honestly speaking, where you for the teach others, now you go to teach yourself. You get where maturity go reach like this. Some people when they say something to annoy you, you just keep quiet too. Not everything you go just, especially in this kind of scenario now just to keep quiet. You are not in Nigeria. We don't even know if the baby is yours or not yours, or the thing what they disturb you like the way they disturb me.
Hi man, me they do the DNA saying I'm negative. Hi, this family, I go deal with them. I tell you the truth. This family, so for this thing what they do to me, so. Okay.
Wow. So guys, yes, we have concluded, though it was a little bit rough. You all saw it, a little bit rough. My husband is very hot-tempered sometimes as well, guys. So it is what it is. There is nothing we can do about it. But then tomorrow, the whole family will be still going to see how we can make an appointment or talk about the DNA. It's just all about DNA, guys. Okay? So we will know, is it positive? Is it negative? Is it real or fake? So we can carry on from there so that we can put all those things behind us. You know, understand me? So thank you all so much for joining us. We must be updating you guys since we say the thing on their social media so that many people know go they talk with their eye, not see. Later. That is why we are updating you guys. So that people will not say it's a prank. So that people will not say, Tara Toro, maybe, you know, I'm not saying my name, now the sweet pass. Maybe this, maybe that, okay? So we must make sure that we conclude this thing and bring everything to you guys to see. Because picking not be something a person they shame for. Picking not be disease, not be anything. So now human being, if now my husband picking, now human being is born. If now still negative, we are not rich.